Hey, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. This is, we're looking at the puppies. All the puppies are together now. We know who's who. Coca-Cola's puppies are the bigger ones. Charlotte's are the smaller ones. And yellow ones are the golden labradoodles, which are daisies. So, like I said, they're like sister wives. They milk each other, they feed each other's puppies. I mean, it's great. And these puppies are nice and healthy. Okay, so Charlotte's puppies were born June 22nd, which are I have one silver male, and I have three chocolate males, and three chocolate females, right? And then Coca-Cola has three silver males. Right there's a silver male. I have one chocolate male and six chocolate females. And then Daisy, I have three, and she's the yellow ones. 3 males, 3 females. So if you're interested, let me know. Contact me at BowersAKCLabs at yahoo.com, BowersAKCLabs at gmail.com. You can also follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And we also have a live feed going, which is Twitch, TWITCH, at Bowers AKC Labs. So here's Charlotte, here's Daisy, and here is Coca-Cola. Now Daisy mated with Crypto, a yellow lab, and she's a golden doodle. Coca-Cola mated with Levi, and so did Charlotte. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Signing off, looking at all the nice little puppies. If you want one, let me know, people. Rich Bowers signing off, and God bless.